In today's workplaces, AI tools are becoming essential for boosting productivity and efficiency. Yet a recent survey reveals that many employees feel hesitant or embarrassed to use AI at work. Ironically, many companies are actively encouraging AI use to improve overall performance. In this video, we'll explore why employees may feel uncomfortable with AI and how to address it. Let's start with why some employees feel uneasy about using AI tools in their daily tasks. A common concern is job displacement. Many worry that AI could replace human roles entirely. Others feel that using AI may make them appear less skilled or knowledgeable in their roles. There's also the challenge of inadequate training, which leaves some employees feeling lost. Without a clear understanding, they may avoid AI tools to prevent looking unprepared or incapable. Meanwhile, employers are increasingly pushing for AI adoption due to its proven benefits. Companies recognize that AI can handle repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on complex work. Employers believe AI enhances jobs by freeing up time for critical thinking and creative tasks. So how can employees overcome this hesitation and use AI as an ally rather than a threat? To start, it's helpful to see AI as a supportive tool designed to make tasks easier and faster. Instead of replacing roles, AI often serves to handle repetitive work, reducing employee burnout. For example, AI can automate data entry, freeing you up to work on strategic or analytical tasks. Think of AI as an assistant. It handles routine tasks, letting you focus on high-impact activities. By embracing AI, you can actually enhance your skill set and become more valuable in your role. One way to do this is to identify AI tools that are specific to your job or industry. For instance, if you work in marketing, consider using AI-powered analytics for deeper insights. Tools like chatbots or AI content generators can help with customer service and content creation. If you're in sales, AI-driven CRM systems can help you track leads and personalize outreach. As you use these tools, pay attention to the time and energy they save you in daily tasks. Start with one tool at a time, experimenting to see how it fits into your workflow naturally. Another tip is to actively seek training or online resources to learn more about AI tools. Many companies offer training sessions or online courses to teach employees how to use AI. You can also explore free resources like tutorials or webinars that cover specific AI skills. By gaining a foundational understanding, you'll feel more confident using AI day to day. Collaborate with colleagues who are already comfortable with AI and learn from their experience. Ask them for tips or observe how they incorporate AI into their workflow effectively. Another way to embrace AI is by viewing it as a career-enhancing skill that can set you apart. Employers value employees who can adapt to new technologies, especially in fast-evolving fields. By demonstrating proficiency with AI, you're positioning yourself as a forward-thinking employee. This skill can open doors to new responsibilities or even promotions within your organization. Remember, AI is here to make work easier, not replace the creativity and judgment that only you bring. At Cyber AI Pros, we help companies and employees embrace AI in ways that feel empowering. If this video was helpful, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on AI in the workplace. Visit cyberipros.com to learn about all the services we offer to support effective AI integration.